Welcome to Mr. Alanisa's kitchen, and one more time we're going to make one more recipe. Today we're making chicken taco salad. All right, so first things first, we have a split chicken breast ready to go, get seasoned. We are going to get over here our ranch beans. They're getting heated up, ranch style beans. And quick little seasoning here. Right over the top. Nothing fancy. Turn it over. And another little quick hit. And off to the grill we go. Okay, here's the grill. Wow, is that hot? Here we go. Ready to go. Place my chicken on here. Skin side down. Oh yeah, look at that sizzle. Okay, I'm gonna grill this for a few minutes and get it nice and charred. Okay, here we go. Chopped green onion, and this is chopped yellow pepper. After this, I'll chop some lettuce and build our salad. Okay, let's check our grill. Oh my. Take a look at that. Beautiful grill marks. Okay, let's go put this thing together. Okay, last little segment here. Let the chicken chill for just a moment, and then I'm going to dice it up, put it on top, and finish up this salad. Okay, last little segment here. I've added my chicken to the salad. Toss a little bit of shredded cheddar on there. That's about a quarter cup, not quite. A little bit more. Now, if you don't like chicken in it, you can just put the chicken on the side. Take a little bit of salad dressing. This is just homemade ranch. And a nice, generous serving over the top. Again, once more, quick little toss. Get everything nicely incorporated. And then last but not least, the ranch beans. This is the real magic. Now I use a slotted spoon. I like the flavor, but not a lot of juice. Nice healthy portion over the top. These have been heating on low since I started cooking, and what that does is it gives a lot of flavor and cooks off a little bit of the juice. And then our final touch, Frito. Now, here's a secret. Don't open it from the top. Open it from the bottom. Because we're going to crush these anyway. So, just a quick pull over the top. Nice generous portion. And we have our chicken taco salad.